The 1200 meters PCSO Special Maiden Race is on their way. We've got Joey Meister draws for your lead. Then moving up is Tango Hermosa Street Racing in third, moving up by the Real Lady, then followed by Canlaon running alongside this Black Town. Next in line, Wild Talk, Royal Rain moving up party outside Fort Courage, and running number 2 Abantero is the Tail Ender. Rounding at the 600, Joey Meister, the leader by about a length and a half. Tango running in second, then moving up is Hermosa Street, running by the Real Lady. Canlaon trying to get closer in fifth as they race for home. Tango now winning the field, moving up to take second is running number 6 Canlaon, and down the stretch they come. Tango this time by about 3 lengths, running on the outside is Canlaon with 100 to go. It's Tango by about 5 lengths, and finally Tango, Canlaon, Wild Talk, Real Lady, Black Town, then comes Hermosa Street, Royal Rain, Abantero, Joey Meister, and Fort Courage.